glad you're here. Our unicorn friend, Goldie Horn, is sick and I need your help to make a special healing potion. A healing potion is medicine for unicorns. We need to collect jellyfish venom, yellow toad slime, firefly lumens from Mermaids Cove, and rainbow dust. Will you help me?
Yes!
Great! Look, it's Tinkerbell! Hello, Tinkerbell! Wow! Look at these wings! And check out these ones! This one is pink. And this one is green. Wow! Thank you, Tinkerbell! What's that? The wings will only last for 2 minutes. Well, then we'd better get going. Come on! Whoa! Whoa! Here we go! Follow me and do exactly what I do. Let's go! I think our time is running out, but I think we do have enough venom. When we lose our wings, hop on the mushrooms and get the yellow toads. Come on!
Time's up!
is Mermaids Cove, where all the mermaids live. Hello, Josie.
Hi, Miss Linky. I heard that you're looking for firefly lumens. We have plenty of fireflies here at Mermaids Cove. Remember to use your right hand for the fireflies on the right and your left hand for the ones on the left. Have fun collecting fireflies.
Thank you, Josie.
1, 2, 3, go!
Good job! Keep going! I think we almost have enough lumens. Just a little bit more. Wow! Good job! We collected so many fireflies!
Well done, Miss Linky and friends. Now, off to the rainbow.
Cool! So this is what the inside of a rainbow looks like. And I've never cloud surfed before. We need to collect all the colors of the rainbow. Come on, do exactly what I do.
3, 2, 1.
Red! Orange! Yellow! Green! Great! Keep going! Blue! Indigo! Violet! You're doing so great! Keep going! Red! Orange! Yellow! Green. Blue. Indigo. Violet. Red. One more and good. Good job. We collected all the colors of the rainbow. Let's go home. Wow, Goldie Horn, you look so much better. Of course I'll tell them. Goldie Horn says thank you so much for helping me to get the ingredients to make her healing potion. She is feeling a lot better. Yes, of course we can go play by the rainbow, but first we need to say goodbye. I hope you had fun with me today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!